Another big announcement from state leaders starting tomorrow. Unvaccinated people will no longer have to wear their mask in many indoor settings. Ground 4's Amanda Harry talked with infectious disease experts about their reaction to these changes.
I think it's fair to say that we are in a hugely different place in the pandemic. We have vaccines, we have lots of natural immunity, we have therapeutics. And so if you feel comfortable, I do think it is the right time to unmask.
Bay Area's infectious disease experts reacting to big news from state leaders. Starting March 1st, regardless of vaccination status, people can go unmasked in most indoor spaces. Dr. Monica Gandhi with UCSF says the decision better aligns the state with CDC guidelines and is based on hospitalization rates.
They just put in hospitalization rates. And the reason they did that is partially because we've had so much infection from the Omicron surge. There's one estimate that 75% of Americans have seen Omicron, and that led to a lot of natural immunity.
Almost everybody getting infected with Omicron at some point, even if you don't know it.
Everyone will still have to wear masks in high transmission settings like public transit and healthcare facilities. Dr. Peter Chin Hong also added, doctors now have more tools to help COVID positive patients.
There are interventions now, even for unvaccinated people, to keep them away from the hospital.
He says he doesn't expect to see an uptick in cases in the coming weeks.
I think that the numbers will continue to go down because there's a huge amount of community immunity right now.
Dr. Gandhi has been looking at data out of the UK. They removed their masks about 4 weeks ahead of us.
They haven't seen any increase in severe disease. And so that is a good sign that if you have high rates of immunity in your population, we're about equivalent to the UK with our vaccination rate here in California, that we're not going to get into trouble from that.
But both doctors are still encouraging the unvaccinated to get vaccinated.
There's a lot of good data that shows us hybrid immunity. If you've had natural infection, if you get one dose of the vaccine, that you have much more durable immunity.
Individual cities or counties are also able to set their own guidelines. Amanda Harry, KRON 4 News.